Tesla is recalling more than 125,000 vehicles to fix a seatbelt warning system that may increase the risk of an injury in a collision. About 1.5 million portable bed rails are being recalled after 2 deaths associated with the product were reported to Illinois-based Medline Industries. Costco's fiscal third-quarter earnings beat may not be enough to excite the stock this morning as shares dip into the red. It is shaping up to be a winning moz, with each of the major benchmarks set to register a 6th positive month in 7. Investors waited for the release of the Fed's preferred inflation data, seen as a potential turning point for a market gripped by rate cut jitters. The European Commission has ruled that Temu qualifies as a very large online platform under the Digital Services Act. Atlanta Federal Reserve President Raphael Bostic signaled Thursday that he would not support an interest rate cut in July amid signs of sticky inflation. Gap has been in the midst of a turnaround under CEO Richard Dixon, who has focused on better marketing and storytelling for the company's portfolio of brands. The Federal Aviation Administration is investigating the latest in a string of close calls when an American airline plane almost crashed into another. Nearly 24 Democratic senators, led by Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, DNY, wrote a letter to the Justice Department urging a probe of alleged collusion between the oil industry and OPEC. An Amazon Prime membership now includes Grubhub Plus for free, but you'll need to activate the benefit first. A notorious cybercriminal group claims to have stolen personal data for 560 million Ticketmaster users. Here's what to know. Jeep's Wagoneer S-electric SUV could be getting a Trailhawk trim based on a new concept released today. The EV sports tow hooks, 31.5-inch tires, and a host of rugged details. The U.S. economy grew at a sluggish 1.3% annual pace from January through March, the weakest quarterly rate since the spring of 2022, as the government said in a downgrade from its previous estimate. California's utilities regulator today cut incentives for community solar projects, likely crimping solar power options for renters. The Senior Citizens League has revised its forecast upward several times already this year. Truckers have joined the conga line of opponents who've filed lawsuits to block the controversial first-in-nation congestion toll to enter Manhattan's business district south of 60th St. Federal regulators are giving Amazon key permission that will allow it to expand its drone delivery program. Orange juice manufacturers are grappling with sky-high prices amid a global supply shortage that could force them to turn to alternatives like mandarins. Even worse, the judge said, they were ruthlessly exploitative in using their children in the ploy.